Houston is here with you for another great day.
Hi, this is Mike Drake at the University of Arizona. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Mike, we got you loud and clear. Welcome aboard. We're on board the Japanese module on the space station right now.
Well, as you can hear, there's a lot of applause in the room. We have a lot of different people here today. We have staffers and friends from your wife, Congressman Gabby Gifford's office, who are with us. We have a number of first responders from the fire department that are with us. Most importantly for us, I think, is we've got a lot of middle school students who are going to be the ones asking you questions. And we also have a number of University of Arizona space grant students, which your wife Gabby has been very strongly supportive of, a great program at NASA. Let me bring up our first middle school student. I'm going to ask her to say her name and ask her question.
Hi, my name is Lena Arriaga from Gridley Middle School. My question is, what feeling did you have when you first looked out the window?
Well, let me first say, you know, for everybody there, welcome aboard the space station. It's a great opportunity for us to have a chance to talk to the folks there back in Tucson. I know I probably know some people in the office. We can't see you, but you know, it's nice to have the opportunity to do this event. We just got up. I imagine you guys are getting ready to go to sleep this morning. Or this evening. With regards to your question, though, for me, when I first saw the Earth, it was over 10 years ago. I very distinctly remember it. I was the pilot on the same space shuttle that's docked just a little bit to out that hatch and to our left, Space Shuttle Endeavour. And at Mach 15, when you're going into orbit, the space shuttle rolls to heads up, so it's upside down and it rolls heads up. And I looked over my right shoulder out the window. You could see this big blue planet out there, and it's really like, even though it was 10 years ago, it's like it was yesterday. Very, very spectacular view. And it's pretty exciting to get to go into space.
I'm going to add to that answer only because I experienced my first daytime liftoff about a week and a half ago, and to my left was Commander Kelly, and I was the pilot in the right seat, just like Mark was recalling from 10 years ago. My first flight was 3 years ago, and it was at night, and so this past launch was my first day launch as well. And looking over my right shoulder, I was amazed at how the Atlantic Ocean accelerated by. I do recall looking out the window and Mark said, "Focus," because as the pilot, I'm supposed to focus on the engines and other systems. But I was amazed at what it looked like out the window. So I just wanted to share that with you.
In Station Houston on Space Ground 2 for Mike, we wanted to congratulate you on breaking the duration record, 377 days and counting. Our hearty congratulations.
Thanks, Lucia, and thanks to all the people I've flown with and all the folks that have supported us from the ground. It's been a great ride, but honestly, I hope this record that we set is going to get broken by future people, and this will be just I guess, a ripple in the wind of humans conquering space. So for the moment, though, I'm going to enjoy it. Thanks for the congratulations.
And it's been a real joy, and we also share that hope with you.
Lucia, just so you know, Mike's planning to break that record tomorrow.
Good deal.
So hey guys, what do a bunch of spacewalkers do after all the spacewalks are done?
More maintenance.
What's this?
This is a carbon dioxide removal assembly. The space
looks like a truck engine.
And we're taking it completely apart to change out that bed in there.
In the middle.
Right in the
middle
middle.
bed.
Everything's got to come off and everything's got to go back on.
No problem.
It's a full day job, but we can handle it.
It looks like something that a bunch of guys who've been on the space station a long time would know how to do.
We're the can-do crew.
So how long you been working on this thing?
A couple hours.
Yeah, I know you guys been hiding in here.
But hey, for those of you watching NASA TV, if you fix things at home, anything like fixing your own furnace, working on your own car, you know, any little thing that you, any maintenance kind of work you do at home is good spaceflight training.
That's true, absolutely.
All right. Hey, there's one other thing in here that I noted. There's, isn't there like an experiment over here that's like really fragile?
That's called BCAT, and it's
binary colloids.
colloids. Basically, it's looking at how colloidal particles in a fluid. Yeah, thank you. How colloidal particles in a fluid separate, and it's over a long period of time in 0G, and you see a camera there set up to take special pictures of that. It's been going on at the space station for a long time, and they're learning a lot about how fluids behave in space. So that's a really neat experiment.
Tell you what, Taz has a couple PhDs, and you know why. He understands stuff like that. And then looking up here we see the JLP.
Installed by another Can-Do crew.
Oh yeah, Can-Do crew. Yeah, you betcha. What's interesting right here is we've done a lot of our PR shots at this particular location, and that's what we kind of hold our feet down with, these little foot restraints. What's interesting though is they're located not exactly aligned with the hatch. They're actually pretty far back, and so if you just jump straight up, you might hit that hatch right there. I think we might have seen that earlier today.
Did that happen to you, Box?
Yeah, it did. All right, guys.
All right,
show me a jump. Show me a jump. Here we go.
All right.
Both of you. Woo. Up you go.